no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get this maintenance vlog started. I am here with the one and only Barry. I always tag her. This is my Atlanta lash tech, well, my lash tech period, but if you're in Atlanta, this is who you need to go to. But a lot of y'all ask me, like, what do I get? And I be seeing it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I be trying to respond back, but it's be so much going on. But right now, what I'm getting is called Mega Volume. And I like my lashes to be extremely full. Like, I like to feel like I got on a strip. I have my natural lashes, can't even talk. My natural lashes are very sparse and short. So I just be needing it to be going crazy. Like, my lash line, probably before I started getting lashes, I had like curly lashes, but now I think they just, I don't know what they are now, honestly. I couldn't even tell y'all. So I just want y'all to see. This is, I've been coming back once a week for the last couple of weeks. So my lashes still look good and full, but I just like to keep them at the highest amount they can be at. I like them to be ready. So my girl is about to get me set. And yeah, so I just want y'all to see the before. Then I'll come back to y'all with the after so y'all can see how everything looks. Y'all, this is the after. Are we loving the lashes or no? My lash tech. Look at her. She like, girl, look at her pretty self. This is the girl who does all the magic, y'all. Come see her. Good morning, my A1 day ones. Today is Saturday. This is going to be Vlogmas day 4 and 5 because I'm gonna put all of this together and you guys are gonna get like a weekend vlog. I'll probably post it on Sunday. Afternoon, so you guys will see this stuff. The next thing I wanted to tell you guys was, I know y'all see my hair and I'm looking like a chicken head, so I took the blonde out. And we about to go red, baby. We about to go red. So I'm headed to my girl who does my who does my wigs. Headed to her house and she's about to hook me up. Y'all are gonna see what I'm about to get next because yes, it is time. It's time for that. It's time for that. So yes, y'all, it's Saturday morning. I'm headed to get my hair done. I'm so excited. I told y'all, like, I'm obsessed with wigs all of a sudden. Just because you can do color, it's just, you know, you don't have to worry about your red hair getting like messed up. But them edges though, like, I gotta ask her what's a better way to take the little bald cap stuff off because I'm kind of impatient and I just be pulling that thing up, child. So I need to ask her today what's the best method to get rid of the little bald cap. But other than that, good morning, guys, again, and happy weekend. I hope you guys enjoy your week thus far, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all seen me this morning. My hair looking crazy, but we are almost there, and y'all know my girl, Maya. Always blessing me with those hands.
Again. That wasn't my name.
So y'all gonna see the transformation at the
That wasn't
end. We're gonna get into this color.
And that was
Pointed at me. No,
Hey y'all,
at me.
I'm back in the game.
It's a fucking order.
Cause baby, y'all probably like, girl, you keep switching it up, but I'm addicted, y'all. Like, I just love my hair, y'all. Like, I don't even, the camera is doing it justice, but in person, it's just going crazy. Like, my hair looks, this look like my red hair, y'all. Like, it's a sew-in.
4, 5, 6,
Like,
7, 8.
get into it. We're gonna talk more about this install when I get home. Thank you, sis. You're welcome.
Yeah, no, I saw.
Great. We about to try these oysters out. I got three different kinds. Let's see which one is the best, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, leaving Steam House. Food was bomb, y'all. I just had the oysters. I had every intention of ordering some crab legs, but yeah, I got full off of 6 oysters. Let's not talk about it. Most of the time with my girl. Y'all know A Sellers in the building, as always. Now my camera's in focus. My cousin is so beautiful, y'all. Look at her. Let her see herself. Hey, when you do that. What's this place called? Modish. Okay, we're at Modish. Is this the grand opening?
It's new, y'all.
$35 per person for bottomless mimosas. But this will be doing y'all. Something just happened to music, so I was like, oh, this is the perfect time for me to get on here and talk to y'all. I don't have to worry about no discrepancies. But y'all, I am loving my hair. I missed the blonde just a little bit, but the red be doing what it's supposed to. Ashley just picked me up, y'all. Y'all know how I am about my pictures. I should have brought my camera, but I was like, let me just chill. But yeah, so I'm just about to take it. All right, y'all. Anyway, so they only. I'll be back. We going home. Yeah. Walking out now, y'all. Whew. All right, y'all. So boom. So the place we were just at is called. It's not even. They gotta get some up here, child. They ain't got nothing on the top of the building. Modish ATL. Y'all, I am. When I say I'm lit, like I am super lit, super duper lit, like next level lit. I cannot believe it. Y'all. Ashley's phone is dead. Hold on, let me show y'all how Ashley looking. Cause Ashley, if y'all don't know this about my cousin, she is a tall queen, but she does not realize she has power vested in her. That being tall is lit as fuck, and she looks like a freaking stallion. Like I want her.
I feel good, y'all.
Turn the fuck around right now. Turn around.
You gotta get me in front of
Whoa.
my
Whoa. Yeah, get her in front of the G.
Yeah, this is my car.
Wow. Big Ashley. Do not play with her. She looks so good, y'all. It's the boots for me though. Do you need every color?
I'm dead. I got these in black.
Do you need every color?
Yeah, we got
Damn, I don't know who this king is. Who is this king?
Hold on, I'm finna follow y'all.
Hey, you don't get us no drama.
You can have him, sis. We good. We're good, sis. You